Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the standard team folder structure and workflow rules created by our Easy WorkDrive Core for Zoho CRM extension. When you install the extension, it automatically creates a team folder in Zoho WorkDrive, 5 module folders, and 1 workflow rule for each supported module. No additional setup is required for this default structure. By default, the extension integrates with 5 key Zoho CRM modules to simplify document storage and file management. These modules are Leads, Accounts, Contacts, Deals, and Campaigns. Now, if you look at the Easy WorkDrive Core folder structure, you can see the folders created for these 5 modules. The folders are Leads, Accounts, Contacts, Deals, and Campaigns. Now let's go to Zoho WorkDrive. Here, you can see that the extension has automatically created a team folder named Easy WorkDrive Core. Inside this team folder, there are 5 separate folders for the 5 supported standard modules. This is the default team folder structure created by the extension. The extension also automatically creates workflow rules for these modules. If you go to Workflow Rules in Zoho CRM, you can see that 5 workflow rules have been created. There is 1 workflow rule for each supported standard module. These workflows are used to automatically create the corresponding WorkDrive folders when new CRM records are created. You can keep these workflows active or disable them based on your requirements. This is the default team folder and workflow structure provided by Easy WorkDrive Core for Zoho CRM.